Innovation is not about big revelations and then making rash decisions. It's actually this calm, slow, deliberate process.
One of the big programs of work that we have on is focused around service innovation and technology.
Engagement is everyone's business plan for doing.
Together, we are developing a roadmap for the implementation of a strategic AI for the local government sector.
We've actually seen this before in the Industrial Revolution. It's a big fundamental shift in the way that we work.
It has been such a joyful process to date.